Hi, this is Delisa Lee with DJL Training with a video answer to a computer question posted today by Mike. Mike asks, how do I insert a YouTube video into my LinkedIn profile? Great question, Mike. I'm glad you asked. It's actually very simple since your video is already at YouTube. YouTube is a supported provider of video at the LinkedIn site, so this is going to be very simple. If your video is not at YouTube and it's on your desktop or on your computer, it's totally doable. You could upload the video to YouTube, or you could upload the video directly to LinkedIn. So I'm going to add a video to my LinkedIn profile just as you need to do. Here's my profile on the screen, but I'm not in edit mode. In order to have the edit buttons on the different sections of your profile, you need to be in edit mode. To do that, I can click the blue edit profile button next to my photo, or I can go to the profile menu at the top and select edit profile. Now you'll notice that my summary section and background section and the different sections all have edit buttons next to the section heading. Let's scroll back up to the summary area. The edit button and the pencil will allow you to edit the text, which is not our goal. So we will not click the edit link in this case, but the button beside it, it's actually a drop-down button, is going to allow us to upload a file or to add a link. If the file were on your desktop, you would select upload file. But since the video is at YouTube, we're going to add a link. When you click add link, a little box opens up inviting you to type or paste the URL of the video you would like to insert. My video is on the YouTube tab here, so I'm going to switch tabs. This is the video. It was produced by InFocus Studios that I would like to insert in my profile. Scroll down so that you can see about, share, add to, and so forth. Click the share link. There are multiple ways to share a video. You can click one of the social media items there and share this video on Google Plus or Twitter and so forth. If you wanted to display the video on a web page, you would select embed. We would not use this choice for LinkedIn. That is HTML code and iframe code. This is perfect if you need to insert a video on a web page. And of course, you have an email option there to enter email addresses and scroll down to send email. Those are different ways to share the video. Let's go back to the share video link. Here is the URL that LinkedIn has invited us to enter. When you click this area, it all becomes blue, which means it is all selected. You could now press Control-C on your keyboard, or you can right-click the highlighted URL and select Copy. So there's your keyboard shortcut, Control-C. I did a right-click because you can't see my keyboard, and I'll select Copy. The URL has been copied to the clipboard. Let's go back to the LinkedIn profile where we can Control-V as in Victor, or right-click and select Paste. When you paste the URL there, it just takes a moment, and the information from YouTube is updated here, the title and the description. Both text boxes are completely editable. So if you wanted to change the title, you can certainly do that. I'm going to click the Save button and show you that we have inserted a video in the summary section of the LinkedIn profile. The video, bottom right corner, has a pencil, which is an edit button. You can do a couple of things. You can edit the title. You can edit the description. You can also move the video to a different section. If you uploaded it inadvertently to an area, then you say, oh, I wish I had uploaded it to a different area. Not a problem. Click the drop down there and pick a different section of your profile, and the video will be moved for you. If you would like to completely remove the video or delete it, not from YouTube, but from your profile, you would select Remove This Media. I'm going to click the Save button again, and here's our video inserted in our LinkedIn profile. The last thing we want to do here is click the Done Editing button to complete the editing process. So I'll click Done Editing, and here's your video. Mike, I hope that helps you out. Hope that helps you insert your video into your LinkedIn profile. If anyone else has a computer question, please visit us on the web at djltraining.com. Visit our user forums and post your questions there. We'll be happy to reply to you. We may even create a video answer to one of your computer questions. This is Delisa Lee with DJL Training, increasing efficiency and productivity.